was scared, but Lieutenant Dan, he was mad.
You call this a storm? Oh, you son of a bitch! Oh! It's time for a showdown! You and me! I'm right here! Come and get me!
And then, poor Lieutenant Dan, he was gone. The hurricane took him.